Jai Hind friends, India is doing efforts to become self-reliant in its defense sector, and India has achieved a lot in this, like Agni missile, Arjun man battle tank, LCA Tejas Dhruv helicopter, Pinaka launcher. India has done many such things. But whenever it comes to assault rifles, India has not yet been able to make its effective assault rifle. Friends, India has recently signed a deal of 5,124 crores with Russia for AK-203 assault rifle, in which 70,000 rifles were directly imported and 6 lakhs rifles will be produced under transfer of technology in Amethi. But now you people will say that INSA's rifle is already present in India. Let me tell you that INSA's rifle was inducted in 1990 and it has many drawbacks, like small caliber jamming, rifle firing in automatic mode when set for 3-round burst mode, and such as many problems in this rifle, and this rifle does not meet the needs of today's time. This rifle was made keeping in mind that its bullets can injure the enemies during the war. But now new challenges have also emerged, such as counter-terrorism, in which this rifle is not successful. Now it is known that why India has not yet been able to make its assault rifle. Friends, there is a scientific process for the development of any rifle, which includes many such things as reliability, adverse conditions, design, mode of operation, caliber, magazine. In India, soldiers protect the country from the height and snow of Ladakh to the extreme temperature in the jungle and desert of Rajasthan. So India needs such an assault rifle that can work effectively in all temperatures. Now we know all this problem in point. Friends, first problem is that India is mostly dependent on OFP. OFP mean Ordnance Factory Board. Friends, OFP tried to improve INSAS but did not get success, and most of the production and tenders are released to OFP only so that private sector industries do not get a chance to participate. The Indian government has 41 ordnance factories, 9 training institutes, and marketing centers in all over India, while the other big problem is the Defense Equation Committee and Defense Procurement Plan, mostly politicians and bureaucrats, and from the same decision maker, in which the most corruption is spread in any. Before the purchase of weapons, quality requirement is made once, because the final decision maker being politicians and bureaucrats becomes very slow. So many things end before it starts, because till this decision is taken, by then the technology becomes old. While the third major problem is the lack of technology for the design of rifle, as well as it requires a huge amount of investment, which is India's lack in this. Money and time are needed for the design and infrastructure for the production of the rifle. The fourth major problem is the lack of private sector participation in research and development. Friends, let me tell you that till the year 2016, in the defense sector of India, no one could do direct investment. In 2017, 26% FDI, and in the year 2020, it has been routed to 74% direct investment and 100% via government route, because the government has also taken the decision 2 years ago, so it will take time to get the result. Now another problem is poor quality of ammunition. Friends, a lot of hard work is put into the development of any rifle, but due to poor ammunition, there is a big problem in it provided by OFP. There have been many reports of poor ammunition, in which round not fired, size mismatch, blank round. Such a problem is involved. Such a problem has been seen, which is due to the negligence of OFP. Sixth problem is that focus only on buying. Friends, in other words, most of the foreign weapons have to be bought. It is preferred even if it is available in India only, because a big reason for this is corruption. Also, if these weapons are on their own, only if bought inside the country, the problem of corruption can be reduced. Let me tell you that any developed country always tries to sell its weapons, as well as always tells more about the capabilities of its weapons, because of India itself is unable to make assault rifles. Now let's know how the government is working on this subject. So friends, India has published a list last year, under which the import of some weapons and products of the defense sector has been banned, in which aircraft, light combat helicopter, conventional submarine, cruise missile, many such things are included in it. The participation of private industries for the Indian defense sector has started the work of budget allocation research and development. Now the time has changed and India will have its own design world's best rifle in the coming time because friends, now work is being done very fast in the defense sector. More attention has been paid to research and most of the things are being focused on making indigenously, which will help India to become a self-reliant India. Private companies also start their new products. If you are doing press, then friends, we hope that you must have got to know a lot from this information. To know more information, you can watch more such videos on our channel and join this video if you have any question in your mind. So you can ask us in the comment box below. We will try our best to answer you, and if you liked this video, then share the video with your friends as much as possible and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.